हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्टैटिक टेक्स्ट. So once again, welcome to my channel. This is the channel where we are going to study the entire course of BSc Data Science, and the subject is social media analysis. We are going to study the text analysis of social media. So let's start with the static text. What is meant by static text? Static text is usually large in length. That means several paragraphs, and it is generated, updated, and deleted less frequently. That means the text will be there for a longer time. So I can take various examples, like I can take the information that is present on LinkedIn. If you see the information that is present on LinkedIn, then you will get an idea of the static text. So I will quickly just open my LinkedIn page and I will show you what is mean by a static text. So let's open Google Chrome. Here I will open with my username and I will open my LinkedIn page. Now, on this LinkedIn page, recently whatever I have posted, I can see it over here. Like, even if anyone has posted in my connection, that also I can see. So let's see what is the static text. See, if I click on my channel, and today itself I had posted about the activity that has happened in my subject. So this text is my static text where I have posted which activity has happened today and what was the outcome of that activity. So this static post is very useful because it is larger in length and it will remain on the social media for a longer time. It is not that frequently updated or deleted. So the higher level of abstraction, the process of social media text is to inform and educate people to about the content that we have posted. So in this example, I had posted about the guest lecture that has happened in the subject of software project management. So this text is very useful as it will give lots of insights of the content that is there on the text. So example of static text, it includes wiki contents, a blog page, Word document, corporate reports, electronic mails, and the news transcript. So all these are considered as the static social media text. Now, let me see what is deployment model. So a deployment model denotes a specific cloud environment that depending on who controls security, who has access to resources, and whether they are shared or the dedicated resources. So based on all this information, the deployment model is created. So the deployment model explains how you could architecture will appear like and how much you may adjust and whether or not you receive the service. So this is how the deployment model works. It will talk everything about what will be the appearance of the content. The link between the infrastructure and your users are also represented by the type of cloud deployment model, because each type of cloud deployment model may satisfy different organizational goals. You should choose the model that best suits the organization, and then it is easier to get approval about the project from the management. Let's see what are the different type of deployment model. First is the cloud deployment model. So the cloud deployment model specifies the sort of cloud environment based on ownership, scalability, and access, as well as the nature and purpose of cloud. So based on the nature and purpose of cloud, different types of deployment models are created over here, out of which the first one is cloud deployment. It defines the location of servers we are using and who owns them. And the cloud deployment model describes the appearance of your child cloud infrastructure, what you may alter, whether you will be provided with service or you must design everything yourself. So all these are important from the cloud perspective, that we may design our own cloud and we may design the services which will be provided. Public cloud deployment means anyone may use the public cloud to access system and services because it is exposed to everyone. The public cloud may be less secure. It is one where cloud infrastructure services are made available to general public and significant industrial organization over the internet. So this model, the infrastructure is controlled by the organization and it provides cloud service, not by the users. Now, let's study about the private cloud in the next video. Thank you.